Oh, it's like a cool
You're
looking.
gonna scream. Here.
Oh, it's cute.
He is cute.
There you go, little guy.
Come on, grab on.
He's confused.
Oh.
Yeah, put your hand over the top of him. He's not going to hurt you.
Are you sure?
No?
Film the.
Is he
Look at his
watching
little
him?
things on his head.
Yeah, that's his ears.
Oh, God! Oh, Jesus.
All right, stop. You're going to kill it now.
I'm not gonna kill it.
Nothing. There's a bug in here. Stop screaming.
Look out! Don't move. Don't move.
Okay. No, that's not what you do. Here. This is what we do.
His little feet scare me.
All right. He's not going to hurt you. Nothing. Stop. Let go now. It's my turn.
It's a big bug.
This is a cool looking bug.
It grabbed onto me and I thought it was biting me. I know, it's scared. Oh.
All right. Let the dogs in.
Okay. I kind of want to look at it.
Now we're going to let it
I
go.
want to look at the bag. Ah!